Hello, Brian from Northern Power and Safety here. I'm going to show you why you can now throw out your login sign-in book by using Lockout ID and Generation 2 with NFC Shift Status. Now here is a Lockout ID Generation 2 tag. You can see that we have 20959. That is the serial number of the tag. Here, it also does correspond with this code on the front. That's 2D printed. I'm going to show you how easy it is to tap in and out as a worker. So here I have a iPhone, which has its NFC antenna here near the top. If you do have a Android, that will be somewhere in the middle near the bottom. So just keep that in mind. So all you have to do with the tag is, first of all, have your phone ready and unlocked, because you are going to navigate on it. So just hold it near the top and you're going to tap. And you're going to see that my good dog friend Harold is now off shift. And you can see there's his tag number, 20959. Now this in the back end of the supervisor portal will create a record that says that at this time, this user has logged off for the shift. And it will have their work scope on there, their name, their ID, and everything. It's very easy. Anybody can do this. So, and to make this better, it's very obvious to the person that has shift status changed their tag, because the background is dark and it says off shift. Now, when they start their shift, they're going to do the same thing, only when they do it the second time, we're going to see that the background is nice and bright. All the same information is there. It says on shift on the bottom. All the supervisor dashboards and the dash view will show that this tag is now on shift, and it's as easy as that. If they're interested, they can go to the supervisor portal and they can see that the users have signed in and signed out. They have the option of printing it right from there or downloading that PDF and storing it in a SharePoint or other network storage place where they need that record to be stored. That's how easy it is to use the shift status feature of Lockout IDs. If you've got questions, we've got answers for you. You can email support@lockoutids.com, or you can call 617-340-3061.